So a few months ago, a couple right here in Michigan came into my office. They were in their early 60s, just about to retire, and they had done everything right. They had saved diligently, paid off their house, and built a portfolio worth a few $1,000,000. But when they handed me their statement and their tax returns, I saw a massive problem that their previous advisor had completely missed. They were sitting on a tax time bomb that was going to quietly drain hundreds of thousands of dollars from their wealth over the next 2 decades. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what we found in their portfolio and explain how we found it all. And then I'll show you the specific changes we made and how the new coordinated strategy is projected to save them over $800,000 in taxes during their retirement. So let's get into it. Let's talk about what we found. The tax time bomb. When this couple came in, they felt pretty good about their situation. They had a great nest egg, but the problem wasn't how much money they had. The problem was where that money was located and how it was going to be taxed when they needed to spend it. They had what we call a siloed plan. Their investments were over here, their taxes were over there, and nobody was talking to each other. So let's talk about when we look at an actual case like this, what it could look like and what you need to look at in your situation. Let's talk about how 90% of their wealth was tied up in pre-tax 401ks and traditional IRAs, had very little in Roth accounts and almost nothing in taxable brokerage accounts. That's the RMD collision course. So let's walk through what that meant for their future and how it was really going to hit them tax-wise, because all of their money was pre-tax. Every dollar they pulled out to live on was going to be taxed at ordinary income. And worse, when they hit their 70s, their required minimum distributions were going to force them to take out huge chunks of money, whether they needed it or not. So let's talk about the baseline projection. Let's talk about when we ran the current trajectory through our tax planning software, the heat map lit up bright red. Their projected effective tax rate in retirement was going to spike over 8%, and their total lifetime tax bill was projected to be massive. They were going to track to pay the IRS far more than they needed to. So before I show you exactly how we fix this, I want to pause here for a minute. If you have a multi-million-dollar portfolio and the vast majority is sitting in pre-tax retirement accounts, you might be facing this exact same tax time bomb. This kind of deep coordinated tax analysis is exactly what we do for our clients. If you want to see what this analysis would look like for your own portfolio, there's a link in the description where you can book a call to learn more. No pressure, but we'd be happy to explore if our approach makes sense for your situation. Now let's talk about the strategy we use to defuse this time bomb. What we did, looking at the coordinated strategy. So now to talk about exactly what changed. We couldn't just move their investments around. We had to change their entire distribution strategy. And to do that properly, we had to act as the quarterback, coordinating with their CPA and bringing in our in-house attorney, Phil, to make sure the legal structure matched the financial strategy. Now, I also want to stress, we also have an in-house tax professional, Andy, that can also help coordinate this if either they're not happy with their CPA or they don't have one. Here's the exact 3-step process that we implemented. So step 1, let's talk about the Roth conversion window. We're going to talk about the identified window of opportunity in your early 60s before you claim Social Security and before RMDs are required to start. We built a multi-year plan to systematically convert portions of their pre-tax IRAs into tax-free Roth IRAs, filling up the lower tax brackets each year. Tax-efficient withdrawal sequencing. We're going to talk about how we changed where their monthly income came from. Instead of just pulling from their IRAs, we set up a sequence to draw down their smaller taxable accounts first, keeping their taxable income low while the Roth conversions were happening. And then we're going to talk about how the legal and estate coordination mention, again, we're going to bring Phil in, our in-house estate and asset protection attorney. He made sure that their trust documents and the account titling were updated to reflect the new strategy, ensuring that if something happened to one of them, the surviving spouse wouldn't get hit with the widow's penalty and that tax bracket jump. So let's look at the results. Let's talk about what that looks like and how you might need to look at this for yourself. So what happens when you stop looking at your investments in just a vacuum and actually start coordinating financial, tax, and legal planning? The numbers speak for themselves. By shifting from a reactive, siloed approach to a proactive, coordinated strategy, we completely changed the trajectory of their retirement. This was huge for them. We looked at repositioning some of these with a coordinated strategy, and the tax rate drop was substantial. So let's talk about how that bright red heat map turned green. We were able to project a reduction in their effective tax rate throughout retirement, smoothing out those massive RMD spikes as well as the IRMA avoidance. We were able to control their taxable income. We also projected how to avoid IRMA, those Medicare surcharges that the previous plan was absolutely going to trigger. So let's talk about that final number. When we compared the baseline projected to the new coordinated strategy, the protected lifetime tax savings over a 25-year retirement was $812,000. That is $812,000 that stays in their family's pocket instead of going to the IRS, simply because we coordinated the plan. So the takeaway here is simple. The portfolio that got you to retirement is rarely the one that will get you through retirement efficiently. If your advisor isn't actively coordinating your investment strategy with your tax strategy and your estate plan, you are likely leaving hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table. And if you're a high income earner or a retiree with a multi-million-dollar portfolio and you want to see if a coordinated strategy could uncover similar savings for your family, click the link in the description to book a call with our team. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.